Welcome to DAW Headlines. I'm Marilee Shoda. Thank you for joining us. Tzu Chi's disaster relief for flood victims in Malaysia's Penang continues to the 11th day as the entire country mobilized volunteers and medical professionals to help hard-hit victims. Although the volunteers are working from sunup to sundown, seeing everyone coming together to help one another makes the entire effort worthwhile. They chose to wake up early to help someone in need. At the front lines, about 150 Jingsa folding beds have quickly arrived.
It's raining now, but we are still out here asking after the disaster victims. The water has receded, but it began to rain again, so we are afraid their spirits might be down once more. So we formed a team to check in on them. My house was severely flooded, and all my furniture and personal items are waterlogged. With your assistance, my burden can be lifted a little. You guys are too kind.
This little girl's feet were submerged the entire night in dirty floodwater.
We saw how they sleep on the floor, and the children's feet were soaked in water for many days, so we suggested giving them a Jingsa folding bed.
The waterlogged furniture is tossed onto the street, blocking the entrance to many of the homes.
It's really a united effort. Volunteers from across the country have come to help us.
The participants of this Tzu Chi camp are among those who are offering assistance.
We are working hard together, but that united efforts really comes through during the difficult times.
Kindergartners from Tzu Chi schools visited the Disaster Relief Coordination Center to distribute food and water to the adults. When the parents heard the cleanup event needed some extra hands, they jumped at the chance to assist.
Some of the elderly don't have the strength to take care of themselves, let alone clean up after this disaster.
Learning doesn't end when one walks out of the classroom, as today's lesson is realizing one's blessings through witnessing the hardships of others.